we're supposed to do. Basically what we're supposed to do is
This is Cross.
Oh,
He's joining me for my bagel.
Oh.
Alright, I'm done with my bagel.
Oh, she's done with the bagel.
Time to go. Time to go to my meeting.
Big bagel.
Bye, Cross. See you later. I like your shoes. Yeah. My Vans?
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Stay classy.
Bye. Have fun with your cinnamon sticks. I'm going to Founders to meet a group for a project that we're working on. And then I'm done with class until 6 and I have a test. So, here we go. The alarm's going off. Nobody knows. Nobody's moving. Fire alarm's going off. We are leaving the building now. There's Win. There's Win. Hi, Win. The fire alarm. Everybody's leaving. We're all leaving.
What are you doing?
I'm vlogging.
You started on Tuesday. It's not Tuesday. It's not Tuesday, so why are we going outside? Isn't it?
Everybody's outside. We don't really know what's happening, but
I think it's only Founders.
I think it is only Founders also.
It wasn't real. Or it was real.
It wasn't a fire drill.
Yeah, but it was something.
Done with my meeting. It was very productive. Now I'm going maybe to the muck to... I don't know what I'm doing. Probably just going back to Evergreen. Study for my test tonight. Okay, cool. Peace out.
Rivers and oceans, which is purified with Veda mantra and is used during
Now it's time to study for my test. Here we go. I got hungry. Bye, Amber. I'm done studying now, so I have a meeting soon, so I'm gonna ride my bike there. I'm walking to my bike, and I went out the back door because look how nice it is. It's so nice out now. It was just raining a couple hours ago. Meeting's over, time to go to class. Done with my tests.
Some dust. He can play some Dust on the Bottle. You know that song?
Sometimes I cannot take this place. Sometimes it's my life I can taste.
Redhead.
You been driving tonight, ma'am?
Oh, I thought I hurt you or something.
What do I look like? Do I look like a superhero?
I thought my fat ass stomach hurt you or something.
Mr. Freeze!
No way.